Hey, how you doing, everybody? Newcastle Ninja here, and what I have for you today is one from Kizer. This is the Mad Tanto, and it is designed by Dam Designs, and Dam Designs has some really great ergonomic, hard-use, well-built knives. And they collaborated with Kizer, also a company known for its great materials and craftsmanship and just all around pretty awesome knives. And this here, of course, is a button lock, and it's a button lock flipper. And what's also cool is it is a dual ground 154 cm steel Tanto. And the whole thing is just really, really nice. It's very smooth. You got that ball bearing action and a really nice green micarta scale handle here. They also offer this in all black, but I do like this micarta. It's kind of like that more clothy kind of feeling type of micarta. I'm sure if you were to get, some oil in it, if you wanted to get it darker or whatever, but it's a great knife. And the only thing I don't like is that it doesn't have any jimping on the flipper tab. However, it fires out just nicely. And as you can see, with that compound grind, this part right here is nice and flat for some pretty sweet cutting of its own, but that hollow ground part right here, it is just exceptionally sharp. It is, well, this is a slicing dream, really. It's a great one. I'll show you a little example of that slicing right here with my Budk catalog. But yeah, it's got such a thin, great edge to it, and razor sharp, hair popping, and it just goes through material like nobody's business. It's really pretty awesome. So overall, we are looking at 8.07 inches, so it's pretty decent, nice knife, pretty decent size, I mean, and the blade is 3.31 inches. It's got a thickness of 0.13 inches, and I don't know if you mentioned it, but the jimping on this, it's perfect. The whole thing is just an ergonomic dream, really. That's what you get with Dam Designs, and generally you get that with Kizer. But yeah, this one here, the handle itself is 4.76 inches. I believe this is a half inch. It could actually be thinner. I'm sorry about that, but I'll try to put that in the comments there in the description to give that if you're really looking to know. But it's only 4.04 ounces, and yeah, it's a dream. And if you like Tantos, I mean, look at the lockup on that. You got a great deep pocket carry clip, recessed screws, and even it has a Stonewash to it, so it's matches that blade. Whole thing is really nice, and it's just so comfortable. I mean, you can get a really nice solid grip on it. It's not going anywhere, and it's exceptionally comfortable in reverse grip. And way they place that pocket clip there, you can just get that middle finger in there to do that reverse action. And the whole thing is relatively long enough if you want to twirl it like so. So yeah, it's a nice one, and it's it just everything is just perfectly made for comfort. Thumb is perfectly, you got just the right amount of jimping right there, and it's nice jimping too. It's it's not overly aggressive, but it's definitely not a smooth jimping. It's just really nice. And hey, they even got the Dam Design RAM on there with the name Mad Tanto. So that's pretty cool. And on the other side, you have the Kizer emblem, as well as the steel that is there, 154 cm. I like the pivot here. It's got like a nice kind of concave feel there. It's pretty nice on the thumb if you want to use it like so. But with this type of hexed end there. If you're taking this apart and so forth, it's kind of a no-brainer that it's going to be in the right position where it needs to be. It's not going to spin around on you. So that's pretty cool. Not that I would even bother, but if you want to, you can do that. But it's a great Tanto. It's a super smooth button lock and a great design. So there you go. That is the Mad Tanto. I'm Newcastle Ninja. And if you want to get this on White Mountain Knives, I'll have the link in the description along with the price. And if you want to get the 10% off of it from there, use my code, capital NCN. And that's about it. You guys take care. I'll see you on the next one.